Hi everyone, my name is Thelma Ibemere. I am an actress and I'm here for the premiere of April Showers, the movie. Okay, so my expectation today for the movie is to, first of all, to come see myself and then every other actors and to see how we actually kill the roles. And I will still have to let you know, guys, all of you need to see this movie.
April Showers for me is a very beautiful film. I just came out from seeing it, and I'm really proud of what my friend Richard Omosiboyi was able to put together as the director of the film. Firstly, April Showers cinematic is the cinema standard is beautiful. You can understand the fact that a lot of effort was put into the technical aspect of the film. Story-wise, it's perfect for me because I write, and I direct, and I would say that for me, April Showers as a story is perfect because apart from being a romance drama where you see all those mushy aspects of romance, there are loads of intrigues in it.
Hello everyone, my name is Rachel Isaac, and in the movie April Showers, I play Helen. Alright, so I play the character Helen, who's like the secretary to the lead character, Linda Brown, played by Lilian Esoro. So Helen is one who has a life altogether, according to the character that she plays, and her boss doesn't exactly have life figured out, so she goes to Helen for some piece of advice, and you have to watch the movie to find out exactly what it is. But this movie is intriguing, has a beautiful story, beautiful cast list, beautiful locations, eye candy. I mean, imagine people like Lilian Esoro, Kunle Rami, Eyinna, Nwigwe, Rachel Isaac, Priscilla, Okonkwo in the movie. Yeah, in the movie, you know that it's gonna be late. So you guys should look out for it when it comes out in cinemas. It's titled April Showers.
Hi, my name is Sashi Biakama. I'm an actress and a model. I'm featured in the movie April Shower, and we're right here at the cinemas, City Mall. And what I would say about the movie is it's a good movie. I was called into it by my Uncle Richie. Uncle Richie, I love you. So yeah, I was featured in it, and I happened to play the girl who was hooked up with Greg, and as a side piece. But then it didn't work out because I guess Greg was in search of love at that time, and he happened to run into the right lady, I guess, and they were doing and she happens to be a lady who is rich also, and she was in love and was in search of. She wasn't in search of love, actually. She was looking for a child. I guess she's giving up on love at that moment. So, and I would say, guys, I can't narrate it all, so I don't want to give you a scope. So you guys should go and watch April Shower on the cinemas. I love you guys.
I thought it was a good movie. I thought a lot of work went into, the location. I thought a lot of work went into the casting. I loved the trajectory of the story. Right. Of course, anything that can be done can always be done better. But I loved the location. I loved the delivery of the actors, and I loved the trajectory that the storyline went. It was a good movie.
Hi guys, my name is Ebisa Araya. I'm an actor, media strategist, and everything you want me to be. Yeah. April Shower. You see, it's a series of real life events in that movie. You guys need to see it. You have a 41-year-old woman. She's single. No babies, no kids, no anything, but she has all the money in the world. And another dude who has all the money in the world as well, but no babies, no woman. That's what I have to tell you. No more spoilers. But it was a beautiful story. It's a lot. It has a lot of what's been happening in our society today.
Yeah, I played the character Dr. Rosemary in the movie April Showers. Dr. Rosemary is a lady that believes in love, and that she kept telling her friend Linda that no matter what happens, she's going to find love. And of course, we all know love exists.
Well, April Shower, it's a beautiful story of a lady getting to her 40th birthday. She felt she would never find true love again because of her class. It's a story of wealth, story of power in relation to age and true love. How people see you as a successful woman when you get to a certain age. People think that you might not be able to get true love again, but it doesn't always work like that. Sometimes love finds you, no matter how old you are, in your 40, your 50, your 100. love can find you anywhere.
My name is Sandra Bremond, the executive producer of April Showers. I read it and I read it again and I said, perfect, that I'm doing this, because it's a story that we need to tell.